Today, I'll walk you through how to create a completely free WordPress website from start to finish, using the latest WordPress features available in 2025. By the end of this video, you'll have your very own website live and ready to share with others, all without spending a dime. Whether you're building a portfolio, launching a blog, or just curious about how websites come together, stick with me and I'll guide you through each step. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, you need to log into your WordPress dashboard. If you've never done this before, just head over to WordPress, in your browser and look for the login button right in the top corner. Enter your email and password. If this is your very first time, don't worry, it's super common to need a minute to remember your login or even reset your password if you've forgotten it. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard, which is basically your website's control center. It's where all the magic happens. Now that we're inside the dashboard, our next step is to click the plus new button at the top of the screen. This button is your gateway to creating new content on WordPress, whether that's pages, blog posts, or entire sites. In this case, this is what gets our new website started. If you don't see it right away, take a look around the toolbar at the top. It can sometimes shift depending on your screen size, but it's there. Give it a click and you're on your way. Once you've clicked plus new, you'll be prompted to type the name of your website. This might seem like a small detail, but it's actually pretty important. The name you choose will display at the top of your site and it sets the tone for visitors. Don't stress if you're not 100% set on a name yet, you can always change it later, but think about what you want people to remember you by. For example, if it's a recipe blog, Jane's Tasty Table is friendlier than just recipes. Once you've typed a name you like, let's move on. Now comes the fun part, filling your site with some content. Click the plus block button, which lets you add different elements to your site. Think of blocks like building Lego pieces for your website. You can add text to introduce yourself or describe your project, and don't forget pictures. Adding images makes your site come alive, and it's as simple as dragging and dropping a photo or uploading one from your computer. If you're a photographer, maybe add an image of your favorite shot. If you're a writer, just start with a short welcome note. Play around here and remember, you can always rearrange things later. After you've added your text and pictures and you're happy with how things look, it's time to make your website live. Click the Publish button. This is the moment your site goes public. Now be aware, sometimes WordPress might need a second to process your request. If it doesn't publish right away or you get a spinning wheel, don't panic. Just refresh your page, either by hitting F5 or on some computers using Ctrl plus F5 for a hard refresh. That usually clears out any little hiccups and gets your site published. And just like that, you have your own free WordPress website. If something didn't quite work, maybe go back and check your internet connection or just take a short break and try again. Sometimes the simplest fix is a little patience. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like. It helps other people find the video. Drop a comment below if you hit any snags or have questions about customizing your site. I love helping out and always try to reply. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials so you can keep building your online skills. Thanks for watching and enjoy your brand new website.